let's take a look at where we are with Tesla in terms of technical analysis. We closed at 242.84, down $6, down 2.47%. Post-market maybe up just a little bit. So let's look at what this all means. So we are outside of our bullish channel that was officially in place since August. So we are outside of it. So we are no longer bullish from that perspective. We are now going sideways. And look at how perfect this is. We bounced exactly on 238.09. So we bounced on 238.88, 80 cents off out of 242. So that's pretty good. So yeah, so far we are still holding 238, and 238 is an important number because we were holding it for a while in July. We were holding it another while in October, and now we seem that we are going to maybe hold it. Of course, the elections are happening tomorrow. Well, it's currently happening at a slower pace. Tomorrow is the big day, so we should get the big reveal. Unless some states take more time to count, I don't know. We could be expecting uncertainty. There's a bunch of uncertainty. I don't want to get political, but each candidate has different things to offer. So nobody knows how the markets are going to react. Nobody knows. So Wednesday morning is going to be very interesting, and we could be getting some of that movement maybe tomorrow as the day happens. If we take a look at the VIX, the fear factor of the stock market, the VIX is at an elevated state. So we are close to 22. As soon as we start breaking 20, then things start to get a little bit iffy. And during COVID, in March of 2020, it went up to 85. So this was completely crazy. And this, this caused a crash. So as soon as the VIX goes higher, the stock market tends to crash. So it's not too bad right now, but we'll see. We are looking at the present. We are not speculating. We are looking at the present and extrapolating from it. So far, things are under control. Let's take a look at the stock indices. So Dow Jones, a sideways day. So we have no stochastic. So stochastic is telling us that, if we have enough force to go higher, if you look at any stock, when you see stochastic over 60, guess what? It's moving higher. So right now, there's no stochastic. This is not moving anywhere soon. It's not crashing too much. And this is the bullish channel we are in. We are just outside of it, very barely outside of it. Nothing catastrophic here. S&P 500 pretty much going sideways. No stochastic again. We have crossed below the 21-day moving average. We are starting to move down, but we need to at least clear a horizontal support. So this should be green. So this is what we need to clear first. If we don't clear it, then we could be bouncing on it. So last resort is going to be 56.71. In terms of NASDAQ, also same thing, crossed moving average, but support is holding. So the support lines are more important than the indicators. But sometimes the indicators are telling us things that are happening in advance. We'll see. In terms of the rest of the market, things are pretty red, except NVIDIA, BYD, NIO, XPeng. So if you want to learn more, you need to be part of my community where I will tell you all the buy signals that we see on all of these stocks right here. And in terms of the economic data, so tomorrow we have the services PMI, and of course we have the election tomorrow, but we also have on Thursday the interest rate decision. So a very heavy week in terms of political and economic data. So far things are not too bad. Let's wait until what is going to happen tomorrow. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.